My dog. My dog.
Jago, hurry up. Peel it out. Peel the whole thing out, but not the cigar. He broke.
Sure.
I've heard it's good. I'm gonna try pumpkin pie soda.
Pumpkin pie soda? Bloody nose.
Ooh, I'm not getting that. Look, pimple pop.
Ugh.
Whoa. Flavors.
The One World Market. Other ones. I was gonna tell you to bring your other ones, but I forgot. What are you gonna get, buddy?
Probably, I don't know, sushi?
What do we got here? Katsukare? Ooh, delicious.
That one looks really good. Whose is that?
This is my miso soup, mister.
Whose is that?
That's mine.
Oh, it looks good. No, I'm gonna definitely try. Give me mine.
No, it came with mine, mister.
What's is this?
That's pickled ginger. Jay, those aren't all yours. Those are for... Oh, maybe they are. Okay. But yeah, never mind. It is yours.
Yeah, it came with it.
I didn't know. I didn't know you get a whole thing. That's a good deal. What?
Uh-oh, I like wasabi.
Oh, well.